In this video, I'll show you how to generate a custom quiz using NotebookLM. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the Create New button to start a fresh project. Once the notebook is ready, I'll click Upload Files and select my AI Research Summary PDF. After the document finishes processing, the key topics and a brief summary of the material appear in the chat interface. Now, I'll head over to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and select the Quiz option. In the Customization menu, I'm going to adjust the number of questions to fewer and set the level of difficulty to hard. I'll type a prompt asking for a 5-question multiple-choice quiz focusing on key features and real-world use cases, then click Generate. While the AI analyzes the material to build the questions, it's a perfect time to reflect on the core concepts of the paper. Once the quiz is ready, I'll click the Expand icon for a better view. For the first question regarding AI development, I'll select option C, and it looks like I got it right. Moving to the next question about deep learning, I'll use the chat to ask for a deeper explanation of the topic to ensure I fully grasp the concepts. The AI responds with a comprehensive breakdown of the AI landscape, distinguishing between narrow and general intelligence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.